Thanks for meeting with me.
Of course. How can I help you?
I am just starting out as a college counselor and have not had a ton of time to do all of the trainings available, which I so appreciate, all of the onboarding. I have not explored. I basically have like my ability to like have my student info, the counselor list, the student list. I've gotten like that far, and I am
Uh-huh.
working actively with clients right now, so I'm kind of learning as I go.
Yeah.
But the Google Docs and files and
Uh-huh.
that I need to figure out how to work.
Gotcha. Okay. Pretty simple here. What do you know what plan you're on?
Right now, I'm on the one step below professional as an associate, but I
Associate, yeah.
once I get a couple more clients, I'm going to bump up to the professional.
Okay, great. All right. So have you logged into Google in here yet?
I don't know. Okay, so you're in the setup in Google Drive. Okay.
Okay. So yeah, once you sign in, this is what you're gonna see. The first thing you'll be asked to do here is set up your client storage folder.
Okay.
And this is basically where all of your student folders and files are gonna live, um,
Okay.
related to CounselMore. So it will launch a picker like this. You want to just navigate. I would recommend that you make the folders in Google Drive first, one called client records or client storage.
Okay.
And then once you're in the professional plan, you can start using master folders as well, which will require a different folder for that. But for
Okay.
now, yeah, client storage folder. You want to go in here, you want to just single click and select to connect that to CounselMore.
Okay.
And you don't have to put anything in there. Um, so what will then happen is you would close out of your settings and then in your students file tab
Yep.
under this menu. So every time, I'm assuming you already have some students in there, they won't have Google Drive folders since you haven't set that up yet.
Right.
You'll see a create student folder button here initially,
Okay.
but every student that you add after you set up Google Drive, it'll just generate that automatically. And then
Awesome.
under this menu, you'll have all the options um, under here that you could also do in Google Drive, like creating a new document, uploading a file from your hard disk,
Yep.
uh, importing a document from Google Docs. This one will be disabled until you upgrade to professional. And
Got
then
it.
link to existing folder is just if you already had a folder for the student, but you don't have to worry about that one.
Okay, so this is like I was coming up with a student brag sheet basically to help a student outline their, letter of recommendation request. And
Mhm.
I could have just created a folder for them in Google Drive, linked it through CounselMore, and then they can probably access like a link that I included in their assignment. Is that how it's meant to be streamlined?
Yeah, so the brag sheet you would upload file if you have
Okay.
it on your disk, you would just
Yeah.
upload it here. You've uploaded it, so when you go into the assignments tab, I have too many tabs open.
Sorry, in my life right now.
In assignments, so you have
Okay.
the assignment, link student file from Google Drive,
Okay.
and you'll see that right here.
To link docs and assignments. Okay, great.
Yeah, select, apply, and then they'll have access to that in the assignment.
Okay, great. And I saw that this is being recorded. Is there any chance you might be able to send me this recording?
Yeah, yeah, I can do that.
That would be wonderful. I think I need to watch it like 4 more times.
No problem.